Hello everyone, today I'd like to share with you a small and cozy house design with a size of 6 meters by 6 meters. Even though the house is not large, the spaces are arranged in a simple and thoughtful way, making it feel comfortable, airy, and very livable. This design includes a living room, kitchen, bedroom, bathroom, laundry area, and a small backyard space for relaxing. The house is designed as a one-story home with a dark blue tiled roof, a style that feels both modern and timeless. The walls are built 3 meters high, combined with a roof height of 1.8 meters, helping the inside feel open and comfortable. Modern wooden glass doors, green plants, and flower beds around the house bring a peaceful and welcoming feeling. The exterior is also decorated with soft blue-toned wooden panels, giving the home a gentle and warm character. At the front of the house is a small porch measuring 1.4 meters by 2 meters with wooden flooring. This space is not only a transition area before entering the home, but also a nice little spot to sit, drink tea, relax, and enjoy the fresh morning air. Inside the house, the ceiling is fitted with recessed LED lighting combined with wooden flooring, creating a clean, warm, and comfortable living space. The main entrance uses wooden panel doors mixed with glass to allow more natural light and make the home feel brighter and more open. On the left side of the entrance is a built-in shoe cabinet, 1 meter wide and 2.1 meters high, with a mirror for getting ready before going outside. The design is simple but practical for daily use. On the right side is the living room, measuring 3 meters by 3 meters. Even though the space is compact, it still feels comfortable with a 2-seat sofa and enough room to add a small chair if needed. A 2-meter-long TV cabinet runs along the wall to help save space. The highlight of this living room design is the soft chandelier above, together with a large wooden window measuring 1.5 meters long and 1.4 meters high, bringing plenty of natural light into the room. A lotus painting and soft wall lighting add warmth and a peaceful feeling to the space. Next is the kitchen and dining area, also about 3 meters by 3 meters. The kitchen is designed in a simple modern style, neat and practical. A small dining table for 2 people makes this design suitable for a young couple or retired parents. The L-shaped kitchen cabinet has a total length of around 5 meters and uses wooden finishes to match the rest of the interior, creating a warm and cozy atmosphere. This area also includes a refrigerator, range hood, and a rear window measuring 1.5 meters wide and 1.3 meters high for natural light and ventilation. Beside the kitchen is a 90 centimeters emergency exit door for convenience and safety. On the left side of the house are the bathroom and bedroom areas. Outside is a small laundry space with a washing machine, storage cabinet, and a cute little sink. The storage cabinet measures 1 meter by 2.1 meters, providing enough space for daily items. Glossy ceramic tiles are used here to keep the area easy to clean and fresh looking. Next is the bathroom, measuring 1.8 meters by 2 meters, fully equipped with a sink, toilet, and shower area. A small rear window measuring 0.6 meters by 0.6 meters helps keep the bathroom airy and prevents moisture buildup. Further inside is the bedroom, measuring 3 meters by 3 meters. Although the room is not very large, the design is arranged carefully with a double bed, wardrobe, and a 1.8 meter storage cabinet for daily necessities. A large rear window measuring 1.5 meters wide and 1.3 meters high allows natural light into the room and creates a comfortable private space to rest. From the back door, you can step into a small backyard area measuring 1.2 meters by 3.5 meters. This space is designed as a peaceful corner with a small tea table and 2 chairs. After a long day, sitting here with a cup of tea and enjoying the quiet atmosphere can feel very relaxing. Overall, this small house design may not be large, but every square meter is arranged carefully to create a warm, practical, and comfortable living space. It is a simple house design idea for people who enjoy a peaceful lifestyle with everything they need in a compact home. If you enjoy this house design idea, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and share the video to support me. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again in the next videos.